Jest, JavaScript testing, and CI parallelization. How to achieve both? What to do to split your test suite across multiple CI nodes to run them much faster when you are working on the complex project? This is the answer. When you have a large project, when you are working for the company with complex project and the tests are taking really long time and running them on single machine is painful and kind of waste of time because you need to wait with every commit to see the results, whether your build is passing or not, you are leaning toward the CI parallelization approach, which is basically splitting your tests across multiple machines to run them much faster, and thanks to that having way faster the CI build time. And to do this, we could use the tool I was working on called Knapsack Pro, which is the solution to distribute your tests automatically across the parallel machines. And to show you the high-level overview how it works, basically we have on this example 2 parallel nodes, and they will be running Jest tests, and they're connecting with the Knapsack Pro API, where is the queue of the all tests you have in your project, and those CI nodes are consuming the queue, fetching set of tests, executing them, and then asking for another set of tests, and this way they all will run your tests and complete the work in very similar time, and thanks to that there will be no bottleneck, no slower CI node, because the distribution of tests is like the tests are evenly distributed across those CI nodes. So this is like very big picture how it works. I have like small example on Circle CI where I just distribute the tests, and as you can see on the first CI node the timing was 1 minute 22 seconds, and on the second 1 minute 23 seconds, so the timing is pretty similar to distribute the tests. Yeah, the Knapsack Pro is also working with other JavaScript tools like Cypress, also with other programming languages like Ruby. If you would like to learn more, I will leave in the description the link to the video about how dynamic test suite distribution work thanks to the Knapsack Pro Q mode. And also you may want to check the knapsackpro.com and just sign up, try the tool, share the feedback, share the ideas. I would love to hear it. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.